In the next episode of Uzak Sehri, Ufaq will reveal that connection to Albora family much deeper than a simple death. He will net take Sihan to reunite building once used a border warehouse and show a hidden room filled with shipment record preserved for years. Ufaq explained that Sihan's father recruited him as a young man, observe a network run by Kartal before the evidence could be delivered. The operation collapsed, survival people died, and Ufaq was blamed as a traitor. He has returned because Burhan unknowingly responded. The same rotates. Sihan will doubt the story until Ufaq produced two childhood photographs showing himself beside Sihan and another boy whose face has been cut away. The missing boy Ufaq claim and grow up and become to atheists. This means that two Comer are no stronger but supervisor and of same buried conflict. Aliha will join the investigation of after discovering that the late husband transferred money of the warehouse shortly before his death. She will believe Burhan gathering evidence while Sihan suspect he was trying to take control of network. This different interruption will be create tension. They will agree to follow the record rather than emotion. The larger point of shipment schedule move under the name of Alia's Medical Foundation. Someone intend to destroy her capability and restart illegal routine in one move. Kaya wants to interrupt the convent and force Zarin purpose replacing the cargo and tracking the buyer. Alia spots Zarin plan and Sihan gave her command, signaling a new way of leading the family. Alters learned of trap and confront of Ufaq. Their meeting revealed that Alters believe Ufaq abandoned their families years ago. When Ufaq insists Kartal separated them, rewrite and story before either can prove truth. Kartal order both killed and Sihan Aleha arrived during the attack and save Ufaq, but artist escaped with a shipment record. Later, Zarin discovered that Conway never real target. While everyone watched the road, someone entered the mansion and stolen locked before from Boran. All room security footage showed the Ivoners crying it and out. Ivoners is paused aboard. The episode will end to Alia receive a call. The real Ivoner proving the man and mansion was an inspector or someone using to identity. Inside the stolen box is an original document in a car reveal. Boran returned why Kartal want to Dennis and when remember of Albora family has been under the fall name.